The Royal Flying Doctor Service has provided the finest medical care and emergency evacuations to people in rural and remote locations for over 85 years. It's hard to imagine Australia without the Flying Doctor, but the RFDS only happened through the determination of one man, the Reverend John Flynn.
Flynn realised that those people bold enough to work and explore the harshness of our great land were entitled to healthcare the same as anybody else. When Flynn had the concept, communication was at the forefront of his mind.
A not-for-profit organisation relying on community donations, the RFDS makes over 250,000 patient contacts every year, and it now does much more than John Flynn ever imagined.
We've evolved to provide GP clinics to remote communities. We also conduct community health nursing, Aboriginal health workers, mental health workers, and a whole range of rehabilitation programs.
It's important for us that we're doing everything that we can the best way that we can. We're basically looking to use technology to drive efficiencies within the organisation.
The RFDS serves Australia from 21 aeromedical bases. The Central Operations Section covers South Australia and the southern part of the Northern Territory. Its communications hub is in Port Augusta at the Operations Control Centre.
As the Royal Flying Doctor Service is a 24/7 operation, it's critical that we have reliable and redundant network connections at all of our key operational sites. The Telstra NextIP network gives us that failover by combining incoming fibre connections with a NextG backup.
We'll receive a call from someone requiring assistance. We'll then patch that phone call through to our on-call doctor, who will then make a decision whether they can treat the issue over the telephone or whether an aircraft's needed to go out and evacuate the patient.
Since John Flynn worked with his communications engineer Alf Traeger, reliable communication has been vital to the RFDS, but their ICT must also deliver a rapid response.
When a call comes into our Operation Control Centre, it comes through the Telstra IP telephony platform and then through our Telstra Managed WAN connection. They use the Whisper platform to message the crews.
Activation. Your response time begins now. Message acknowledged. Goodbye.
Whisper allows us to ensure that the crew has received and acknowledged their activation, which can save a substantial amount of time.
Our crews are able to synchronise manuals, etc. that they required for reference in flight using our wireless network, so they always have the most up-to-date and relevant copy.
The RFDS was born from the emerging technologies of flight and electronic communication. Today, it works with Telstra to be at the forefront of what's possible in telehealth.
Telstra is a valued partner to the RFDS. The coverage that they have in rural Australia isn't matched by any of the other providers, and the network connection and management that they're able to provide to us is one of the key aspects of our network.
Telstra and the RFDS are almost the same as Flynn and Traeger. We've been together over the journey. We're delighted to say we look forward to continuing to build in consultation with Telstra.